guys, welcome back to a new episode of Smart Tech. My name is Santosh, and in this video, we'll be seeing the Samsung Galaxy S11e, S11 and S11 Pro leaks and rumors. I'll be showing leaked design, the features and specifications, the launch date and much more. So, let's see if Samsung makes this mobile as the best photography mobile of 2019. And let's get started. So let's talk about the S11 first. So this S11 heights up to 6.7 inches and you can see a punch hole camera, that is selfie camera. But we couldn't get to know this how much megapixel this front camera is. This mobile comes with great edge curves and you can see that it is 7.8 millimeter thick this time like the Samsung Galaxy S10, and as you can see there are great edge curves here in this mobile, but this time Samsung has omitted the headphone jack. The highlighted feature of this mobile is the back cameras. So this mobile comes with 5 back cameras and it is like the M30s. So as you can see there's a flashlight and a hole also. So I'll be talking about the hole afterwards. And let's see about the specifications first. So this mobile comes with 108 megapixel plus 48 megapixel plus 12 megapixel. It even comes with a 5x optical zoom and a 100x hybrid zoom in it. So as you know, the Huawei put a 50x hybrid zoom in it, and the Samsung is going to make an advancement in it, and it is putting 100x zoom in it. And as you can see, let's get back into the specifications of the phone. As you can see, as you know, the Samsung Note 10 comes with an volume button at the left side, but again the Samsung has put it into the right side, and the volume button and the power button comes in the right side. And as you can see, the speakers are down, and there's a type C port cable in it. So this mobile comes with a 120 Hz screen refreshing rate. The capacity of battery is 4400 mAh, but in future we may see advancement in it. So let's move on to the next product, that is the Samsung Galaxy S11e. So as you know, the Galaxy S10e, likewise they are going to release the Samsung S11e also. So this mobile comes with a 6.3 inch of height, and as you can see, and the thickness is same as the Galaxy S10e, and there's again a punch hole camera in it like same as the S11. So all the front designs are same like S11, but the back is a bit different. So at the back you can see there are 3 cameras with LED light, and there's 3 cameras in a rectangular box. But these camera specifications might be less compared to the S11. So again there are 3 cameras here, and there's a hole in it, hole near the flashlight camera, which I'll be talking a bit later. And talking about the battery life of this mobile may come up to 4000 mAh, but in future it may change also. So let's talk about the hole first. So that hole is nothing but the laser focusing module. So the Galaxy at the last series or the previous modules they are not added it, but now recently they've added this Galaxy S11 series. In that S11 series they added it. So in all some LG products you can see all some holes like this. This helps to increase the photo quality and the video quality while shooting. So now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S11 Plus. So there are a lot of rumors about this mobile. So still we can't find out the exact specifications or the module of it. So some people tell that it doesn't have the hole punch in it or the selfie camera in it. Many tweets have told that So I have all found this out, but we can't still get to know the exact specifications about it. So but some say it have a punch hole, that is selfie camera punch hole in it, and some say it doesn't. So talking about the back is completely different and really cool. So again, there's a rectangular box camera in it, but it is really weird. And as you can see, the cameras are randomly placed in it, and there are five cameras here, plus a flashlight and a sensor in it, that is laser module focus. So as you can see, we can't find out the another sensor properly. So talking about the camera, this camera again it have a greater focus than the S11e or S11. So this camera comes with an 100x hybrid zoom, and there's it even supports 30 fps. We can see a 48 megapixel telephoto lens and a 10x optical zoom. So there may be a bit of changes in the camera too. So talking about the screen will come 6.9 inches. So people are eagerly waiting for the announcement of this mobile, and all the people focus on the camera only, and there should be a valuable reason for Samsung to make this kind of module. As you know, the Samsung Galaxy S evolutions, there are a lot of changes in each evolution, so there have to be a valuable reason for this also. May this make everybody attention. So the video have come to an end, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, share the video, and press the like button and comment too. And I struggle to make these kind of videos. Please help me and help me reach my first 1k subscribers and turn my monetization on. So until that, signing up, your Santosh from your Smart Tech. Keep watching my videos. Bye. Do it unique.